Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete subscribers. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting subscribers in Mailerlite is a simple process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the subscribers under the campaigns tab. If you click on it, you would be able to notice that these are going to be some of your subscribers list. All right. You have four, matter of fact, a lot of tabs here. All subscribers, segments, groups, fields, stats, cleanup, and history. If you go to the all subscribers, you would notice that you can choose from any of the following filter. If you have like an enormous data of subscription list, you can filter them out by choosing an email, groups, fields, sign up source, location, sign up day, time zone campaigns, automation workflows, and until used subscribers. But if you just click on the all subscribers, you would be forwarded to the subscribers that you might have here on your account. For example, in my case, I only have two. From here, go to the toggle columns. You have a lot of options here that you wanted to impart with. And then the actions are these, but you have to select which subscriber do you want to delete. In my case, I'm not gonna delete all of them. I'm just gonna selecting this subscriber, and you have selected one, and the action is gonna be this. Click the delete button. All right. And again, you can bulk delete them by checking all the options for the subscriber that you want to remove. All right. Click the delete option. All right, and this will delete the selected subscribers from your account group. But remember that this is going to be kind of like a permanent, so removing inactive subscribers is helpful. For example, if you haven't opened or interacted with your emails in a long time, this helps improve your email deliverability and engagement rates. You see that? The subscriber has been deleted already. All right. Now, by deleting subscribers for the right reasons, you can ensure that your email marketing efforts remain focused, effective, and compliant with regulations. But of course, you want to make sure that you have a backup data of the subscriber before you delete something here, because it's kind of like permanent. All right. Now, if you notice that there are some email addresses that are invalid or have bounced multiple times, you might want to delete this subscriber list to help you maintain a clean and effective email list. But if you're again having problems deleting any of your subscribers here on your platform, just click the question mark option here. Go to the contact us option, create a ticket, and once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you're having problems deleting your subscribers to your account, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.